Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to show you how to unlock your iPhone using the Face ID when you are wearing a mask. Like this. It's quite frustrating when we are wearing a mask and want to unlock our iPhone. What we can do is to remove the mask to unlock the phone. But we don't want to do that because taking the mask off is not safe in the public. But hey, it's good news that Apple has just brought one of the most special features which allow us to unlock our iPhone using the Face ID even when we are wearing a mask. That is cool, right? Okay, now I can't wait to show you guys how you can actually do it. Let's jump into the tutorial. Okay guys, so first of all, what you're gonna do is to update your iPhone to the latest version. So you can just go to the settings, general and software update. Make sure you update your iOS from that place, or you can do it manually on your PC. So now my iPhone is running the latest version, which is the iOS 14.5. Then what you're gonna do next is to update your Apple Watch as well to the latest version, which is the Watch OS 7.4. For your information, you can update the Watch OS before the iPhone, so make sure you update your iPhone first before updating your Apple Watch. Next, after the OS on both devices have been updated, all you need to do is to turn on the new feature on your iPhone settings. So let's just go to settings and then scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode. Okay, scroll down until you see Unlock with Apple Watch section. Make sure you turn this feature on and then read this carefully. Use the secure connection to your Apple Watch to unlock iPhone when a mask prevents Face ID from recognizing your face. Your watch must be nearby, on your wrist, unlocked, and protected by a passcode, meaning that you have to set up a passcode on your watch. Otherwise, this feature is not gonna work. And also make sure that your Apple Watch is on your wrist and nearby the iPhone. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. One more rule that you need to know as well is, in order to use this feature, you need to unlock your iPhone using a passcode one time first. And then there's a timeout probably after 1 or 2 minutes. I'm not quite sure about that. But the thing is that I have tested and it happens to me quite often. Sometimes I am asked to unlock my iPhone first using the passcode, and sometimes I need to unlock my Apple Watch first using a passcode as well in order to access this feature. Okay, now let's take a look at this example. As you can see, I'm trying to unlock my iPhone while I'm wearing a mask, and this information pops up on my watch. Paravuth iPhone unlocked by this watch, and at the same time I can also lock my iPhone back using the Apple Watch. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next videos. Let me know what you guys think in the comment down below as well. Okay, see you in the next video soon.